welcome to another video. Now I'm just looking at some properties. I'm thinking about buying a lot in Jamaica. Anyway, so I'm heading into this one here right now. It's overlooking the sea. This property is overlooking the sea. So let's see what this one is all about. Now, if you're overseas and you're thinking about buying property in Jamaica, this is a nice way to go. You can buy the lots. They have a lot of lots selling out here, so you can buy the lots and you can build your own home. Now guys, people tend to want to buy houses that have already built. I don't think that's a good idea, at least for me, because when you buy a lot and you build your own house, you can always architect your own styling and all that. You can get it the way you want it and so on and so forth. But I know people like to buy houses that have already been built, but that's not me. So right now I'm just taking a look at some lots. Now this one have a nice view of the mountains. So the ones at the back are mostly off like mountains and such. You can see all them trees, very green. So if you're overseas and you're thinking about buying a lot in Jamaica, this is a nice one. It's a little bit above sea level, but it's not very cold. You can, at the front you can see the sea. So we're going around back to the front now where you can see the sea and all that. So that's the house that is under construction right now. As you can see, it's very lovely. Just by looking at it, it's very, you know that when you finish it, it'll go sell off, trust me. Because this is a kind of contemporary style. Now them old type building then another thing there again. So this is very nice. And I guess the containers is where they store their equipments and such. And you have some trees in the middle area where you can also decorate if you want to, plant flowers or pine or fruits or whatever. Now we're heading back down to the front area of the lot. See guys, it's a nice view over here, man. And it's very quiet. So guys, it's very quiet up here. If a pin drop, you can hear it. Now from here you can see the sea view. So if you buy the lot at the front, you'll be able to see the sea view. So it's very nice. And as you can see, there's a house here building again. So this lot is under construction. Very contemporary style. As I was saying guys, that is a little no contemporary, more like, I don't know if you guys know all them penthouses. Whenever you see penthouses, they tend to build in that type of style, and I guess that's what people are going for now. This is a nice one also, and you have all these coconut trees and most of them are fruiting. There's a lot right there. Yeah, this is a nice one here. They're doing some kind of extension on this one. So this is the house I showed you guys before in the video. This is like the back section of the house. As I said before, this is kind of an extension, and there is someone living there already. So guys, if you're thinking about buying a lot in Jamaica, this is very nice. I can always teach people the idea. This is a very nice house. I think they're building some kind of what you call that thing, elevator to go up there, because I don't know why they have those black right there. I think it's for some kind of elevator. This house is very nice. And then storage container for all your storing of whatever you're gonna use and all them something there. Yes guys, so this is a nice area. There's a water tank right there across the road. But I think in this area you're supposed to get running water. So we're going back down now. So that's the view of the sea again. As I told you guys before, this is a very, very great view at the back. You get a view of the mountains, and then at the front you have a view of the sea. There's some other houses over on this side as well. Lots of coconut trees and mango trees, so you can always come outside and pick your mangoes and all them stuff. So we're heading into a different section now at the front. As I said before, this is at the front part. So if you guys are thinking about buying lots in Jamaica, this is the way to go. I can't stretch it enough. Buy a piece of lot, build your own house, so you can pick your own style. You want nobody, no problem. And then guys, you can always go ahead and choose the style you want. You don't have to be renovating to get this and renovating. Renovation costs a lot of money in Jamaica, I'm telling you guys. So better go ahead and buy a piece of lot and build your house, because that's what I'm thinking about doing right now. So I'm gonna be going to different areas, and that's a nice house right there, man. Oh my god, this is lovely. You see how they have the balcony going around so that they can see the sea. That's a lovely one right there. This is just so beautiful. Guys, you need to come to Jamaica and check this out. Or if you're in Jamaica, why not go ahead and buy a lot? Buy a piece of lot and build your house. No more renting, guys. It's all about financial independence out here. So you can always go ahead and buy a piece of lot and build your own house. So as I was saying before, guys, I'm thinking about buying a piece of lot to build my house. So I'm going to be going around to different areas to check out and see which is best for me. This might suit you, but I like to have options whenever I'm doing anything. So I want to go around and look around and then pick which one I prefer the most. I like the sea view on this one. Trust me, it's very beautiful. So that is the front of the one I was showing you guys at the back. This is a nice one also. Very nice. This is lovely. This is what we have in Jamaica, and we're killing ourselves to go overseas. This is so crazy, man. Anyway, guys, if you're thinking about buying properties or lots or whatever in Jamaica, or even houses, single houses, you can always go on Google and check out house for sale in Jamaica, property for sale in Jamaica, and all of them stuff up on Google. So go up on Google and try to sort it out, and yeah,